I'm gonna put you in a hot seat, Emorja. You thought you was in a hot seat, now it's about to get even hotter.
What's up?
Ben, what you got for us, y'all? Ladies and gentlemen, make some noise for Emorja Roberson as he do. I heard it through the grapevine.
Clap, clap. Ooh. Ooh, bet you're wondering how I knew about your plans to make me blue with some other guy you knew before. Between the two of us guys, you know I loved you more. It took me by surprise, I must say, when I found out yesterday. Don't you know that I heard it through the grapevine? Not much longer would you be mine. I hear y'all. Don't you know that I heard it through the grapevine? And now I'm just about to lose my mind. Oh, say it again, say I heard it.
Heard it through the grapevine. How much longer would you be my baby?
Oh, I know a man ain't supposed to cry, but these tears I can't hold inside. Cause losing you wasn't in my life, you see. Cause you mean that much to me. See, you could have told me yourself that you love someone else. Don't you know that I heard it through the grapevine? Not much longer would you be mine. Oh, I heard it through the grapevine, and now I'm just about to lose my mind. Oh, heard it.
How much longer would you be my baby?
Not much longer would you, said I heard. Oh, yeah. People say believe half of what you see, some and none of what you hear. But I can't help but to be confused. If it's true, please tell me, dear. Do you plan to let me go for the other guy you loved before? Don't you know that I heard it through the grapevine? Not much longer would you be mine. Oh, I heard it through the grapevine, and now I'm just about to lose my mind now. Oh,
How much longer would you be my baby?
heard it through the grapevine.
Be my baby.
Give it to me. Just about to lose my mind. Don't you know that I heard? How much longer would you be my baby? Heard it through. How much longer would you be my? Oh, I heard it through. How much longer would you be my baby? Oh, through the grapevine, how much longer would you be mine? Oh,